Now, children, today I'm going to explain solution of some assignment questions that are uploaded on ERP, because maximum most of the children are facing problems in doing assignment questions. Then till now I have uploaded six assignments based on exercise 1.1 to 1.6, and the last assignment number 7 is based on miscellaneous questions. So let me explain some questions of the particular assignment. These are the assignment, children. Exercise, this is for exercise 1.1, 1.2, that already uploaded on ERP, children, don't worry about it. And this is your 1.3. okay, this is your 1.4. total 5-6 questions are there. And assignment number 1.5 is this one, based on complement of a set. And assignment number 6, that is your related to practical problems. Here 2 and 3 sets questions are given. Total 6 questions are in assignment number 1.6. And the last assignment is assignment number 7, that is based on miscellaneous. And basically this assignment is to prove the particular statement by using associative law, distributive law, De Morgan's law. Okay, in this assignment definitely I could find that you are facing some problems. That's why I decided that I have to explain these questions and make a separate video. Now children, for assignment number, now just check assignment based on exercise 1.5. Question number 1 is there: for any two sets A and B, prove that A intersection under bracket A union B complement is equals to phi. And the second question is A intersection A complement union B is equals to A intersection B. These type of questions you have to prove it by using law, distributive law, associative law, De Morgan's law. Don't prove it by taking example. Okay, you have to prove it by laws that I already have explained: distributive law, associative law, commutative law. Already I have explained these laws. Okay, now the first part is A intersection A union B whole complement is equals to, taking LHS, this is your LHS is here. Now A union B complement, that means definitely here we can apply De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law is A union B complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement. Just see it here, I have written here A complement intersection B complement. Now use associative law, because the sign is same, na? Intersection. Associative is A intersection A complement intersection B complement, because this is common. So A intersection A complement is definitely be phi, and B complement is as it is. Again phi intersection B complement, phi के साथ जब intersection होता है then it will be your phi. Hence it is proved here. Just see, this is your RHS. This way you have to prove that kind of questions. Okay, that's why I have made this video. Now the second part is A intersection under bracket A complement union B is equals to A intersection B. Taking LHS, A intersection A complement union B. Again two signs, different signs are there, union and intersection. You have to use distributive law. Distributive law is A intersection A complement union A intersection B. Distribute करोगे, just as simple algebra. Okay, now A intersection A complement is phi, and union with A intersection B. Phi union A intersection B is what? This is A. Phi union A intersection B is A intersection B. क्योंकि phi में तो कुछ भी नहीं है, then union is this one. If the sign is intersection, तो phi होता, but here union is there, therefore it is A intersection B, hence this is your RHS. So this way you have to prove that kind of questions. Now in exercise 1.6, question is that is Venn diagram. Depict the statement by Venn diagram. The first is B minus A. No need for this rectangle is there because only B minus A. If whole complement is there, then you need to depict the rectangle that is universal set. But still it's no problem at all. Now B minus A, that means what you have to set? Only B. Only B is this one. Okay. So A and B. So B minus A is B intersection A complement. The elements in B not in A. This is your B minus A. A minus A intersection B. No complement is here, nothing else. Therefore, I have not made rectangle here. Rectangle is not used here. Okay, that's why it is not going to be shaded others. So please, B minus A, that means only two circle and this shaded portion is there. A minus A intersection B. Two circle. A intersection B is what? This one is A intersection B. This is going to be subtracted with A. A पूरा circle, इसमें से this part is not be valid. That means this part. A minus B complement. Complement is here, therefore this rectangle is valid. Here, complement, that means A minus B. A minus B is what? It is A minus B. इसका complement यानी ये नहीं चाहिए, rest चाहिए. तो only that part is not shaded. This one, it is not shaded here. And rest part shaded. This is your A minus B complement. Okay. Now come to assignment number 7 based on miscellaneous questions. Question number 1 is, for any two sets A and B, prove that A minus B union B is equals to A union B and A minus B intersection B is equals to phi. Now, taking LHS, A minus B union B. A minus B means what, children? It is A intersection B complement. Union B. Now, two are different sign, therefore you have to use distributive law. A intersection B complement union B is A union B. Just see, children, here. Intersection B complement union B. Now, B complement union B is what? It is U, and this is A union B. So A union B intersection U is your A union B. Hence, this is your RHS. Same way it is applicable for this question also. A minus B is A intersection B complement. It is going to intersection with B. So then same sign, associative law. Okay. So this is equals to A intersection B complement. This is phi, therefore A intersection phi is equals to phi. Another one is question number 2, second part I am going to explain. A intersection B union A minus B is equals to A. This is the question. Taking LHS, A intersection B union A minus B. A minus B means what, children? A intersection B complement. So the A intersection B union A intersection B complement, both the different sign. A intersection B union B complement. Intersection common है ना, देखो ये common आ गया with A and B union B complement. तो B union B complement is universal. So A intersection universal is A. So this way you have to prove question number 2. Come to question number 3. For any two sets, A minus A intersection B is equals to A minus B. Now I am going to confirm that definitely you will able to do these kind of questions after explaining so many questions in miscellaneous or in exercise 1.5. So children, do it properly, and again if you are facing any problem, so let me ask, no problem at all. Now A minus A intersection B, this is your minus is here na, तो intersection and this का complement. A intersection, again this one is there, so De Morgan's law is going to be applicable. A complement union B complement. Different sign, distributive law. A intersection A complement union A intersection B complement. A intersection A complement is phi union this one. Phi union this one. Union है, that means the whole is your value. A intersection B complement means what? A but not in B, that is A minus B. Okay. Now come to question number 5. Question number 5 is, for any two sets A and B, prove that A minus B union B minus A is equals to A union B minus A intersection B. Now taking LHS, A minus B means what, children? A intersection B complement, union B intersection A complement. Okay. Now intersection is common. First, distributive law. A intersection B complement, this one is going to be distributed with B with the sign of union, and intersection is here A intersection B complement union A complement. Okay, bracket operation, BODMAS rule. Now here again you have to use distributive law. A intersection B complement union B is A union B intersection B complement union B. Same way, A union A intersection B complement union A is equals to A union A intersection B complement union A complement. This is complement here, children. Now it is A union B intersection B complement union B is U, universal set. Intersection A union A complement is U, intersection, this is as it is. Okay, intersection with U is there, that means that particular set will be there. A union B intersection U is A union B intersection, again U intersection this one, yani this part is valid, it is written here. Now A union B intersection B complement union A complement can be written as A intersection B complement. Here first of all, commutative law is A union B is equal to B union A, so that part is written here. This part is as per De Morgan's law, it is A intersection B complement, and A union B is as it is with intersection sign. Now you know children, A intersection B complement क्या होता है? A minus B. तो this intersection this complement is equals to A union B minus इसका complement. इसका complement means A intersection B. This is your RHS. Hence it is proved. Now children, chapter 1 is totally completed. All the questions based on all topics, Venn diagram, practical problems, proving questions, all has been completed. Then you have to do all the works in your notebooks, assignments on loose sheets. Okay, thank you.